Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x, y, x, y. So number 1 divide by number 1. So we have the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so we have v, and this is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one I will put in here. Y we change by vx. Next, we simplify x on numerator and denominator. Next, about v, I will put on the right, and we have negative v. So this one, we can do common denominator. So v multiplied by number 1 and 2v in here. So negative v, negative with v, we have negative 2v, negative and negative, we have positive 2v square. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, we need to concentrate on this one. So, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we multiply, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one, we have number 1. This one, we have 2v. So this one, we have negative number 2 for v. Later that, we divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one, we change by u. 1 minus 2v dv, we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x, and I will put about c. About v, we divide both sides by x. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.